The biggest mistakes our Indian patients make are delaying health checkups, ignoring the early symptoms of one of the major diseases, avoiding the scans, most importantly, self-medication, and secondly, searching in the Google, get the knowledge and treat themselves. See, we should not do a self-medication because some of the symptoms may direct you to the major diagnosis. So, if you ignore the disease in an early state, the treatment will be difficult if the stages are increases. And also, when you search in a Google, the Google will give the opposite information or a gross information that may not help for your diagnosis or your symptoms. So, taking all the information for nothing is not important. Instead of that, visiting a primary consultant when you diagnose to have early symptoms is the most important factor in our day-to-day life.